What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Halabebe Official, and guys, it's a special day to me, and I'm coming live and clear from my grandma inside of the house. So this is the mansion, and I need to take my breakfast. So I came to wash my hand over here. So let's check outside. People are working here. You see over there. Wow. So we have plenty of breakfast, and let's take I wash my hand over here. So wow. Well, guys, so so I wanna have some breakfast here. Hey, David Junior. Okay. So let me check. That's what. So this is the porridge here. Wow. Let's check inside here. I have chapati. Okay, plenty of them. So that is my favorite breakfast ever. Wow. Hey. So after this, I'm going to check some work outside. Yes, guys. Wow. So this organ, the lesson here is the flour. Fire. So guys, I think the perimeter have been completed. So nowadays, instead of the steel bar, they decided to put the new model of the blocks. So from that corner up to that way, so you can maybe in calculation from the corner up to the end, maybe it's 8 feet, no, 8 meter, and then you put some pillar, so for using steel bar, but nowadays use this one, just like 2 meter. So you put these styles, and the same on other side. So we just here, we outside, guys. So let me know in the comment section what do you think about these videos. Can you give a like, comment? So now we have here some cow. It's grazing. It's grazing here. This one is the stubborn one. Well, so we are heading this way. We have the napier grass over here. So we need to check some cement here. Is some construction being going on there. Yeah, baby. Wenyewe, I'm good, bro. Go fine, thank you. Welcome. Yes, so we want to pick some cement here, and there's some construction going on. And actually, guys, this is a garage where the car have been parked. So you can see over here. This is a man BMW. Japan machine. Dream come to the reality. Wow. Unaweka mingapi? Mitatu sukumi. Siweke tatu. And guys, it's Tembo cement Bamburi. It's 50 kg. Yeah, here. Wow. So guys, here we use manpower.
Yeah.
No machine. Right, so we left the garage, so we outside. So nikusaidia kusukuma. And then shika camera. Ndio. So guys, let me help him to push this stuff.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome, guys. It's a long time. So look at this sign here. Hey. This is a motor here. We want to create another motor. Wewe usikunusuka. Guys, this is another style. This is another style. As I told you, you have another style inside here. And it's come down. Wow. Okay, they want to put another motor here. So let me take it to the other side. Whew, where people are making some bricks over here. We have plenty of them here. We have another one over here. In case you're new here, this is what we call Mama Ann's farm. Is this a quite one? Isn't this a oh, okay. This is how they make some. This is the motor. They make some bricks. Blocks I mean over here. So this one is not for us. It's meant for this aunt's family over here. Wow. So, but I think, man, for us is this one here, that one there. So you can see the difference, right? Siku nusu nyumbani. Wow. Hapa kama unalipoa tujue. Okay. So guys, you can see how Africans are very intelligent and educated in terms of construction. Wow. So they create another new motor here. So guys, I'll try to mix this one here. I will help him to get this motor. So I'm telling him I know how to make this stuff here. So at the same time, I'm planning how I could manage my project. So I think this week, today it's on Wednesday, I think so. So maybe on Saturday I will resume on my project. So let's give myself enough time. That's the second trip, and I think the third one shall be okay and mixed with water. Right, so let's take you to another level to see how the mason have been placed some blocks here. Kana mrambano ukuweka hapa. Takuja tukague. So I'm telling the mason they must fill this some water. Takuja tukague. Kora hapa hapa. Esto kora. Kwa hesabu. Afro mtoko mkono mjua babu atagomba na mwambia nakota mchanga mkienda.
Anajua.
Yes. Kora nusu nyumbani, so I'm telling him tomorrow to fill this gap here. So maybe at the end of the day, no issue. I remember this mason. There is a time you're working at the villa. Seriously. And then I'm the handman. So I bring some material, everything. So I was sitting somewhere chilling until the end of the day. So when I'm seeing him, I'm trying to imagine. Because hivi niko mtu kwa mkono. Kwa nimekujazia maburoko hapa. Kila kitu. Yeah, so I'm trying to give a flashback, guys. During our back years, when I was working at Ayamara's Villa, I'm the handman of the mason, of this mason here. So I put everything here and then I relaxed like 3 hours without working. Namara. So just like a memory.
Hey, I answer a man.
Okay, my mason, they feel so thirsty. They need to take water.
Taking a cup of water. As you can see.
Yes.
I putting here fundi.
Fundi.
Yeah. Yes. Hi guys.
And this is inaitwaje no boat. Hey.
Inaitwa kabiro.
In Swahili kabiro. But I know it's calling mason knob. I think things like that. Mason knob. Nod. Guys, let me know in the comment section.
Yes.
Yeah, the good thing about our mason, when you put some materials here, like this one, they wanna take their own material and fix. So there's no need to say, oh, my handman, bring this. No. You must be arrange your work. Yeah, guys, this is the motor. Hey. Wow. So we have another challenge here. We have a lot of rocks down here. But today we decide I remember one story from the Bible. There is some people plant some seeds on top of the rock, and other plants on top of thorns. And which one can be grow first or mature first? So psychologically, we try to build top of the rock. The rock, man. This one here. So as you can see, so today we try to cover this corner here because so guys, let me see the work of mason now. Sasa umekinga na mkono. Yeah.
Nisikia kule wewe sio handyman unasema.
Tiamo trenicho. So Mom is calling me. So I'm try up. You see guys, I'm helping him to tight this rope. So I know these things. Aijaku.
Jakuwa hapo na hapo.
Nimeacha wote. Yeah, your handman is this one here. Me, I'm going. Yes. So I'll come to create another story for that stone there. Because Mama been called. Hey, another motor over here. Alright guys, so stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. So guys, we are here. We tried to put some hands inside of this stuff. And we tried to look for the next hand right here. Yes. So it's a a game changer. So you must take the hand very in the morning. So guys, congrats Mom, I've been sent to buy this beans here because for the mason to have some rice. No really chocolate. I need you to see this. Some beans. Called Rosicoko. And each is 400. Cover
Get a cake.
It's 400 each. So I'm just here guys. So this is how our market looks like. Very in the morning. This is why we call Marikiti. After maybe our moms finished selling stuff or veggies, they came and store inside here. We call Marikiti. No more caramel here. Right. So we take this one and this one, but it's different color. Yeah. That is my motorbike over there. So every time I can move. Wow. Hi. This is some maize corn over here. And then hey. Hey. Woo. Hey. I can use this route or this route. Guys, that's my mother taking this goat outside. What's up? Wow. Okay, so at the same time, guys, it's early morning over here. So I need to take my sister back to school, and I was sleeping, but I will make sure I want to take my sister to school every day, until when she close the school. That's the reason. That's the time I could maybe chilling here. So I wake up. I think right now it's around 7:30. So this is my sister here. Okay, that's my motorbike. Say hello, my sister.
Hello.
Yes, I need to take her a nice bag. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, you make a hairstyle. Wow. So guys, come this way. Okay guys, so I need to take her to school. It's early morning. I should wear a jacket. Hey. Alright guys, so this is how they wear some shoes, socks. Hey. And actually, this is the color of our school. Oh, well guys, we have only one sister. Wow. Okay. So guys, yeah, it's our time to go. So I found one of my neighbor here. Take on control. Oh, it's morning over here. Okay. Oh. Okay, so I must take care of my sister, of my young sibling, even my parents, or my mom. Okay. Murah. Paling kotere. God. So let's go. So guys, I'm very happy. It's a special day like this. So I thank God, you know. When you wake up in the morning, you're still alive. Just say thank you God. Yeah? Like that, and the life continues. So these are torn fence. Hi guys. These are torn fence here. And the good thing about this village, they have really developed. Yeah. So you can see the beautiful house. Yeah. Today when I pass here, I must show you in case you're here. Wow, perimeter wall meant for the blocks. We have a small shop over here, and right there's another one over there. Okay, this is a church. Wow. So we almost at this beautiful schools. and today's on Monday. Yeah. I know this. Alright guys, so I'm back home. Before I leave home, I was in Congrats, mom. I'm always there all the time, but this week, or I think last week, I missed there for several times, several days. I didn't go there, so because there is some issue running around my home here, up and down, and so I must be here. But I thank God. I wake up early in the morning. I was going to charge my phone, and I go there to greet my grandma, even my uncle, even Congrats dad, and then, man, I do everything. I showing you the amazing content, but I thank God I have came back home, or I have already arrived back home. So I need to check my project before resuming my work, because I had some comment section people ask me, why do you quit your project? Man, for sure I'm not quitting my project. It's officially here, but I think when I get some money I can give some people to squeeze this sand back. Maybe I can use for the future reference. Maybe this red soil that you see here, it's so powerful when you come back inside the house. Yeah, this one here, I don't want to waste them, so because I use the money to dig this toilet, so I need all resources. I need to push back up to that way, up the end that you can see some goats here, over here. So I need those sand. When I get like 2,000, so I can give some people work to squeeze this sand back. Come on this angle here. What's up? Are you okay? So to squeeze up this end, because there is a time I can need those sand to use it. So it was very powerful when you compact, and right now it's so hard because we have a lot of rain and compact them down here. So I need to clean this space. I think next week I want to start this work officially, so I don't want maybe to be in shame. No guys, and man, sorry for saying to be shame, sorry, but it is what it is, and I will make it. At the same time, let me check the blogs. Wow, so I think finally I want to give you some special travel again from here to Lake Victoria. I think so. So my sister, she have already came back from school. She wanna pray in here. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, umetoka shule. Yes. I'm asking her. She have already came from school. She wanna say yes. Guys, I'm trying my best, but I'm heading this way. I need to show you another project. Wow, is water. All right, let's go. That is my cousin over here. Okay, so I'm heading this way to see, and I was in my Congrats mom there. I saw we make the same day these blocks here, but mine is totally dried. Let's be dried the way things they are here. So I hope everything should be okay. No one who touched this one. Yeah, so I want to show this maybe for several times, in case you're new on these videos or you're a new subscriber, you want to see, man, that's my project over here. I have sand here, stones, but the only thing I remain with is to have some steel bar and 9 bags of cement. I think I can manage to continue with my project. Imagine when I have when I have 9 bags of cement, steel bar, I can continue with my project. But right now I think the big issue was stones, making blocks, but I thank God I have already managed it. So I know for the haters, they wanna understand me wrong, or they wanna take advantage or disadvantage about on me. But for me, guys, for those haters, I don't care. So I mind my own issue. I'm a focus my own issue. So right now that's my grandma colored green, what we call green colored here. It's the cow piece over here. Wow. So in our village here, farming is our backbone, man. You know. Wow. So let's go. You see, I'm trying to demolish this stuff, man. I feel bad when to see this stuff. Is a bathroom, but it's covered by polythene paper, so you can see the way things they are here. Shagala bagala. So one day they wanna enjoy some modern toilet. Okay. So guys, I'm going inside to my house. I need to check my house before I give you a quick tour. So I'm heading this way. In case you're new here, that's my grandma home, that's my mom's home or my dad's home. So right now we stay with my mom over here. Hey. All right. So I need to check it out. Hey. What's up? Again. Nini sukuma tu. This is my mom. Say hello.
Hello.
So it's lunchtime, man. So they take lunch. So I'm so very happy. I'm so very happy, man. So in case you're new here, this is my house. You say put some tiles here. So I need to open my house because I need my privacy. Oh. When I'm not around, my mom she wanna take care of my house. Sorry guys, don't mind on that, but right now I didn't have some bag or to put some clothes, but I think this is the clothes that we have another one here over here, you know. So I think this is the clothes that when you saw my videos, my current videos or my past videos, I have one of my neighbor, she's a lady washing my clothes. So right now I didn't have some bag to put inside. Okay, man. So I wanna say stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. But right now it's another traveling. I want to go back where I am yesterday. Stay tuned, guys. So now we take a reverse, so it rotates and the dog is inside the water. Wow. So I'm back, guys. So we are going for the park here. Si kiboko ile ni ndege mara. Okay, this is how we park. So this is the parking area.
Yeah, Judge. Yeah.
Right.
200.
So let's remove my jacket here. Oh. So this is the parking area. Ishafika. They throw and then they want to tie it there. Kushuka na wajafunga. Acha afunge. Eh.
It's never happened.
Oh my God! Imagine I was sitting here. This is a tank, is the engine. So what is this for fishing?
This is the floater.
Floater for fishing. Yeah, man.
Let's go.
Yeah, man. Hey. One
Jump?
step, two
Wanna
step. On water. Bye bye. Bye bye. Eh. Chop.
Next time to dip the
Indio propera ni moto. Ni plastic iko. I was fearing, but it's God's plan. I thank God I reached safe for this journey. So you wanna enjoy it. Sasa nifungue machine. Nifungue. Hapo narudisha mafuta. Yeah, ibaki. Wadu umeandika jina lako. Eh. Prosego. 96. 62. 48. 96. 42. 49. Okay. So it's our time to remove our engine. Nambara mnaifunika na hii.
Gino mio sabundo lala kwa nyero.
42, 49. So we take our engine outside. Wow, so I'm traveling here. It's a desert area over here. But we try our best. Somehow it's a desert, but I can't show you what's going on here, so it's my time to leave. Right.